Holly, if you keep tapping it like this, then you're gonna get annoyed. That's not how it works. Oh my god. Something I just never learn. Just gonna do it again. Boy, she's so mad. It's okay. Stop biting on her face. Like, chill. Look. Wah, wah. Wah. Hey! Okay, I won't grab your toy. Guys, I think she's training to be an apex predator. Definitely she's gonna do it again. Stop biting on her face. Help! Help! Well, that's it, but I hope you had a great time watching my dog getting torturing herself. Bye.